किसी ने सच ही कहा है, मंजिल तो खूबसूरत होती ही है, पर उसके साथ साथ खूबसूरत होता है उससे पहुंचने तक का रास्ता. एंड समटाइम्स इवन आई फील दैट जर्नी इज मोर ब्यूटीफुल दैन डेस्टिनेशन. Hello everyone, this is Bindu Jha. Welcome back to my channel, Flying Bingo. Right now I'm in Gangtok. This is also known as Paradise of East India. It's 8 in the morning and now I'm waiting for my friend at MG Road and see how I start my morning. Wow, this is so beautiful. So this is second day of Gangtok. Yesterday we came to Gangtok and today we are going to see Nathula Pass. This is Chandbari bus stand. From here we will be starting our journey to Nathula Pass and other destinations. This is cafe, restaurant or dhaba, whatever you call, near taxi stand named Nulampa Restaurant. So before starting our journey, I'm having my breakfast and a cup of tea as weather is very chilling here. Chalo, now it's time to start our journey. In front there is checkpoint where they will be seeing our permit for entry. I see this map indicating points to visit en route. So it's done. Let's go.
इन वादियों में टकरा चुके हैं हमसे मुसाफिर यूं तो कहीं दिल ना लगाया हमने किसी से किस्से सुने हैं यूं तो कहीं ऐसे तुम मिले हो ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है ऐसे तुम मिले हो ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है.
We are on our way to Nathula Pass, so I'm gonna give you some tips based on my experience. First, dress up accordingly because it's freezing here. Second, keep water and snack with you because there aren't many shop and market around. Thirdly, you need to get a permit. For that, you need to photograph and valid ID proof. If you're traveling with some travel agent, then they can organize this for you a day before visit. भैया ये बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, प्लीज यहाँ रोकना ना. Wait, let me show you what I was talking about. So, perfect song for this place is आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे आज मैं आगे ज़माना में ओके चलो उल्टी की सीधी चलो. So where I was? Third हो गया था fourth. So if you're traveling for the first time, don't forget to bring a medicine of motion sickness because even in our cab, people were having symptoms of motion sickness like dizziness, vomiting. So it's better to be on safe side.
खामोशियों में बोली तुम्हारी कुछ इस तरह गूंजती है कानों से मेरे होते हुए वो दिल का पता ढूंढती है बेसुआदियों में जैसे मिल रहा हो कोई जायका काफिराना
Nathula Pass.
इश्क है या क्या है जैसे तुम मिले हो, ऐसे तुम मिले
13
हो,
kilometer more.
जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा, काफिराना सा है इश्क है यार, क्या है।
We almost reached Nathula Pass. I don't know if I will be able to take you there or not because strictly photography is not allowed there. Still, I will try my best. Hi guys, so I'm here at Nathula Pass. You can see behind me. As camera is not allowed here, so this is just from outside. This is what Nathula Pass or Indo-China border looks from outside. Guys, we are going back from Nathula Pass to Baba Mandir. I think I look red. It may be due to increase in red blood cells in our body due to high altitude. It was so cold, yaar.
संग चल रहे हैं, संग चल रहे हैं, धूप के किनारे छाँव की तरह, काफिराना सा है इश्क है यार, क्या है।
ऐसे तुम मिले हो, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा।
Finally, this is Baba Mandir. We have only 20 minutes, so let's go. Baba Harbhajan Singh was an army soldier. He was revered as hero of Nathula by soldiers of India.
Happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन हो, माथे पे बिंदिया. It happens only in India. It happens only in India.
This is what it looks from outside. Let me take you inside.
जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए. मुंह से तो कुछ ना बोले, चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए.
Now we will be going from Baba Mandir to Changu Lake. So this is third and last spot of today, Changu Lake. Lake is located at the elevation of over 12 feet and it's completely frozen during the winter season. Other attractions of this place are yak and a mandir near lakeside. I was not lucky to try yak riding as we were getting late, though you must try, it's a good experience. So this is mandir which I was talking about, Changu Baba Mandir. This is Changu Lake from other side of the mandir. You know, many people believe that water of this lake has some healing qualities. So we're comes end of our journey. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. हो जाएगा सफ़र आसान, आओ साथ चलकर देखें. कुछ तुम बदल कर देखो, कुछ हम बदल कर देखें.
काफिराना सा है, इश्क है